Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning, folks, and welcome back to another video. I am out walking the streets of this beautiful, beautiful city. Look at this beautiful shrine here. And I am on my way just to get out for a walk, first and foremost, and just to go get some coffee. So I am just walking down this lovely street. It's very nice and empty, nice and quiet, and yeah, just enjoying the kind of peace and quiet, and had a beautiful, lovely long sleep, which was well needed. So I have my camera with me, so I'm going to take some pictures if any present themselves, and I will see what happens. I'm going to go via, there's an old part of town that you can visit, and I'm going to walk, via that way, to see if I can take any pictures in the light, because it's lovely, it's quite nice. There's a bluebird sky, and but it's still nice just to be out walking around. So here we go, let's have a look and see what we can see. So this is a really lovely part of town. I'm sure it's much better in the evening time when all the lights are on and things, and there's a bit of a, well, I'm glad that there's nobody around, but if the lights and stuff are on, it'd be a bit more kind of awake. But as it stands now, it's really, really lovely. So this area of town is essentially like you don't want to say entertainment district. It's not like an entertainment, it's just an area that during the civil wars that Japan had over the many, many years back before it was all kind of, tied together under the Tokugawa government, or shogunate. These areas were essentially places for people to come basically just to have a beer. Not that they were drinking beer, but, it was like the pub district. So, take from that what you will. But it's really lovely. It's actually quite well preserved. It's, from what I was reading on the sign there, it's one of the more well reserved ones, in the country. So you can really get that sense of like old-timely Japan here. It's wonderful. It's really, really wonderful. It's just so quiet as well. There's a nice looking Torii gate here, let's see. So yeah, it's one of the beautiful things about coming to a place like this when you're on a photo tour is just having the opportunity to explore places like this. And ohayo gozaimasu, and finding little bits of history and things. So yeah, that's really wonderful. I'm gonna put this away now because I feel I'm very embarrassed. Okay. It's funny, it never takes long for a city to wake up. It always seems to happen in an instant, and this is no different. But wow, what a wonderful coffee and a wonderful little explore this morning. And I bought some beans, some coffee beans, which I'm going to enjoy at home. And yeah, super duper, a nice girl, very certified. I think I may have fallen in love a little bit. And very nice, very well spoken, and English too. I tried my best to speak my very limited Japanese, but it was a good time. Well, I had a good laugh. So first in the door, coffee. It's always nice when you can hear a barista, dialing in coffee before the place opens. You're going to get a good shot. So just making a bit of a beeline now back to the hotel. Thankfully I packed everything for us to leave. We've got about maybe, it's about a 3.5 hour drive I think now. And so gonna just jump back, pack up, and get everything sorted for ourselves, and have to find something to eat for the drive and for breakfast. So yeah, I might actually just throw this stuff in the car and then go get what I need. So, photo tours. There's a lot of early mornings, and today was kind of like a day off morning, which it's needed because you got to recharge. You spend a lot of time in the car when you're driving around like this, and it's very, very important that you kind of have an opportunity to decompress a little bit. And just as awesome as everybody is, you know yourself, it's just when you're crammed in a car with people for hours on a day, it's nice to kind of like, okay, this is my time now, and you know, and that's totally cool, and it's absolutely understandable that people would want that. And so we are all no different. So anyways, all is well. Gonna get sorted and organized, and we'll see you on the road. So folks, hello again. We have made it to our destination, and it's a beautiful wooded area here. Have a look at all this. Absolutely fantastic. And we are on the trail to take us to the snow monkeys, but we're only really coming out here on a whim because there's a sign at the beginning to say that there's none here, which sucks. It's just the wrong time of year. They supposedly migrate here closer to the end of November into December, but we are here nonetheless, chancing it. Somebody said there was two, but I don't know whether I believe them or not. Somebody said there was two. Rando person waving. I don't know if I got that hello, if I did. But there's people walking back now saying there's none, so I don't know, it's only 1 kilometers of a walk, so we thought we'd chance our arm and have a look anyways. Failing that, I think we'll probably end up just turning around, going back to the car. We've already, been to the accommodation and stuff, and we'll probably end up just going back and figuring out somewhere to go shoot, maybe for the sunset. and then come again tomorrow. This doesn't open until 9 anyway, so we'll have to wait and see. But it's still a beautiful, beautiful walk nonetheless. Like really, really fantastic. So we'll take our chances and see what we can see and enjoy the walk if nothing else, because we were in the car for a while, so it's nice to take a break. So let's push on, see what we can see. So there are snow monkeys over there, which is awesome. We managed to photograph, there's only 2, but there are snow monkeys, which is great. So I managed to catch a little bit of video on the camera. This is obviously too wide, so I'll overlay the video, and so they're lovely, they're really great. So it wasn't a waste of time at the end of the day, but there's only 2. I don't think we're going to get any kind of like anything kind of like substantial. No, they're on the move now. Oh, they're sitting down though, look. So let's quickly run over and try grab another shot. We have just checked into our room right now, and it is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. It's just a big tatami room, it's amazing. And there's a TV. Have a look at this. Fantastic. So we just set up the beds on the floor, watch a bit of TV. There's also this lounge area, and of course then this beautiful, beautiful view overlooking the town we're in. I don't remember the name of the town we're in. Okay, we are going to settle for a moment and go find some more tonkatsu and head out and have some dinner. So let's get out and explore. As well, it's like,
you know, you've got something.
Yeah.
That's not what you can do, but
Yeah.
I have to vocalize it, and I've covered my butt, and I've got your insurance from the launch.
Yeah.
Say Brendan's insurance supplement.
So folks, 2 monkeys, what can you do? Supposedly they don't arrive until later, as I mentioned. But this is a lovely little town all the same. We had a lovely walk and went and had quite possibly the largest katsu curry I've ever seen in my life, let alone eaten. But it was absolutely delicious. But yeah, gonna call it quits for this video here now. And it's night time here, as you can see. And everybody's pretty tired, so we're just all gonna chill out and go to bed. And that's about all she wrote. Really, it's very dark too. And so tomorrow we get up, have some breakfast, and then hit the road. We stay 2 nights in the next location, and fingers and toes crossed we can get to the waterfalls and things. It's very cold, very snowy. We tried to drive up one of the roads today, and it was like the car, I had to just turn around. It just couldn't make it. The car was it was just skidding and things, so I was like, no, I'm not doing this. So we'll see how we get on tomorrow and the next day. But sure, look, fun times shall be had. For now though, I will see you all tomorrow, and take it easy everybody. Cheers.